Right, so we're the Proacticity team, and our vision of the city of the future is one that is able to sense and respond to data in real time. And that applies to everything in the city, the people, the transport networks, the environment. So what we've done over this weekend is prototype a demonstration of how this might work. So let's take a very practical example of what this means. Imagine if you could predict what congestion levels would be ahead of time. This would enable you to take proactive steps to stop the congestion, for example, by rerouting buses or dynamically changing ERP prices. Now, at our estimates, this could save something like 500,000 hours for Singapore commuters in a year, or to put that in a very human perspective, that's about an extra hour every month with your family. So let's take a look at the technology that's driving this. Knew this would happen. Okay, so on the left, we have a real-time visualization of one of the large data sets. We've taken 34 million rows of Singtel call data. And this is a great data set because it's showing the live pulsing heart of human activity across the city. And we've used this to drive a predictive model. So the blue line on the top right is a prediction of congestion from our predictive model. And the red line you can see below and compare it to is the actual congestion that happened across this period. So as you can see, there's a reasonably good correlation. It's actually picked up the key peaks and troughs in this data. You can just switch. So the technology this is based upon is about sensor fusion, and this is a specialized kind of algorithm which can merge the data from the many thousands of different types and classes of sensor which are distributed around the city. The prediction model is using neural networks which understands the patterns in this data and use this to predict what's coming next. So we've proved that this can be done at a sort of city level scale. So this is only obviously a very small prototype, but the potential for this is very large. You can improve the capability of the sensory system by incorporating many different kinds of data. And secondly, it can form the platform on which many other different imitative applications can be built. For example, detecting socially hot areas in the city and detecting and reacting to vibe. So just to sum up, we think that the amazing open data that Singapore is producing, combined with the Proacticity technology, is a key stepping stone to enabling Singapore as one of the leading smart and innovative cities of the world. Thank you very much.